Back to my channel. So I just wanted to say thank you so much to ABOX for sponsoring this video, and not only that, hosting a giveaway for you guys. So you will be able to win this nail lamp if you head over to my Instagram. That is where I am giving it away at. And yeah, so let's get right into the video. So this nail lamp is so cool, you guys. You just plug it in. It's very simple. You just plug it in the back, and it has little light up numbers. It is touch and everything, so it's pretty cool. And yeah, so it has a couple of settings. Well, it has 4 settings, which is pretty cool because not all of them have 4 settings. But not only that, I am going to be reviewing a $4 Polygel kit, and I'm also going to be showing you how I prep my nails. So this video is just fun and festive, I'm guessing. So I just wanted to fix up my natural nails because they are a disaster, you guys. My natural nails have been through it. So that's just what I'm going to be doing on one hand, which is my left hand. And then on my right hand, I'm going to be adding Polygel, a short set, just because I'm going to fill them in for you guys in about 2 weeks so you can see how it works with Polygel. So that's kind of why I just did a nice short clear set with this Polygel, and I do not like this Polygel. So I'm just going to say what I don't like, and then we're going to get into the Q&A that you guys have been waiting for. I asked you a couple of questions on Instagram and also on here in my previous video, which I'm just going to combine a lot of them together because a lot of them are just the same questions over and over again. So yeah, I'm just going to take a few, maybe like 10 or 12 questions, and just combine them all because they're literally the same questions over and over again. So that's kind of what I'm going to be doing. So right here, I'm just pushing back my cuticles, prepping my nails, and doing all of that for the Polygel application. My prep is very easy, straight to the point. I don't add product and I don't do all of that because that causes lifting, you guys. So if you're using like cuticle away and cuticle this and cuticle that to soften up your cuticles, that is going to also cause lifting because you have to wash your hands. You have to make sure that that is out, because if it's not, you're going to have lifting. I can promise you that. So right here, this is the Melody Susie gel that I will be using. I think I have a discount code for them, so I will link that in the description box down below also. And yeah, so I'm just prepping my nails right now, and you know what, let's get into the wait, hold on, let me talk about this Polygel kit. I do not like it for $4. It is not worth it. The dual forms do not fit the natural nails. They're like kind of like a square at the top, not round. So I don't know how they expect. Yeah, just it's a no for me. And what else? So right here, I'm just adding Dehydrator and primer. Like I said, you guys, very simple, very easy. I just disinfect my nails, make sure that everything is good to go, and then I just add primer and stuff like that. That's kind of all that I do. So other than the Polygel kit's dual forms, everything else I do like. The solution worked good. The Polygel wasn't clumpy and thick, so that worked good. What else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. The brush I did not like. Just throw the whole brush away. Throw the whole brush away. Literally just throw it out. It's not a good brush. What else? So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Now let's get into the questions that you guys kept asking me about. And yeah, so let's get into the Q&A that you guys are so excited to hear about. So just stay tuned. Okay, so the first question that was most asked was, when am I going to do nails again? And I'm pretty sure, which I seen half of the people that sent me that are my clients, well, my previous clients, and very soon. I'm hoping very, very soon, within the few next months. So just bear with me. I'm trying, you guys. Just bear with me. But another question was for me to suggest a good acrylic brand and pana brush. You guys already know I was gonna say that, so it just came out. But a good acrylic system and a good brush. So my 2 favorite acrylic systems, they're cheap and affordable, and not only that, they work really, really good. Mia Secrets, any kind of their acrylic powders and their monomer, and then Easy Flow. Those are my two favorite. They're MMA free, they're very affordable, easy to work with, great for beginners. And not only that, my Panda brush. I don't use no type of other brush but my Panda brush, and I get that from eBay or Amazon. Another one was, what is like the best advice that I can give for beginners? Definitely stay focused is one. Have patience, because it doesn't just come over time. I mean, it doesn't just come tomorrow. So you're not going to learn how to do nails tomorrow or in an hour. It takes time. It took me about a year just to down pack how to lay acrylic perfectly. Like, it takes a long time. If you catch on in 6 months, cool. That's you. Everybody's different. Don't think that all because somebody's moving faster than you or growing faster than you doesn't mean that you're not. Definitely take your time, have patience, have fun. Definitely have fun doing nails. Nails is just such a fun thing to do. So definitely just have fun. Let's see. Somebody said, have you heard about the straw hack where you use a straw as nail tips? I would love to see you do them. Yes, I have, and I will be having a video very soon of me trying that out. I think Long Hair Pretty Nails did it, and somebody else did it on Instagram. I will link all their stuff down below when I do decide to do that video. But yes. Somebody asked if I had siblings. Yes, I do. I have a sister on my mom's side. On my father's side, we're not, yeah, that's a whole different story. But on my mom's side, I do have a lovely sister, and she is the greatest sister of all. But yeah, let's see. People were asking if I have a boyfriend. That was a very common question. Do I have a boyfriend? I do not. I'm just living my best life, you guys. Not Hot Girl Summer best life, but I am living my best life. I'm just trying to grow my name, grow my business, grow me. I am talking to somebody, but I don't know if it will get serious. I don't know at the moment, whatever God leads. But yeah, I am very single. Let's see. What inspired me to do nails? I say God led me to do nails, honestly, because I didn't know what I wanted to do. Previously, I was in the medical field. When I was like 18, and then I stopped doing that like a month later. I did not like it after I graduated. And then I started doing nails at 18. I got my license and stuff like that. I started working for somebody. And then when I was 19, I opened up my business. So it was just something that I just started doing. Somebody said, do I like working with acrylic, gel, or polygel more? Acrylic. I'm definitely an acrylic girl. You can't take it away from me. I just love it. I love it. How much do you usually charge for nails? By the way, I love all your videos. Thank you. And it depends. In my area, I would charge $60 for a full set. Sometimes it could range up to $150 to $200, just depending on what you're getting. Swarovski crystals are very expensive. Everything is very expensive. So yes, it is very expensive to do nails and to have pretty nails. Not only that, you have to understand that as a nail tech, we do spend money to make your nails look pretty. So in order to get Swarovski crystals, guess who has to buy it? So it is very expensive for us also to buy stuff. Sometimes when I first started, I started out doing nails for $10 just so that way I can get my clientele. And then I did raise my prices up because I knew my value. So definitely take your time with the pricing. Don't just go in and say, I'm a beginner, but I'm going to charge $65. It does not. It don't work that way. But yeah. So next question. Hold on. So happy I found. Okay. I got a lot of people didn't send me questions. They just sent me like, you know, I love you and stuff like that. And I love you guys so much too. You don't understand. You guys are bomb.com. Y'all part of the couture family. That's it. Okay? Okay. How do I lessen acrylic buildup in my brush? I try to wipe my brush after each bead. You can, at the end of your work, what I do is I just let my brush soak in a little bit of monomer for about 10 minutes, and then I clean my brush out, and it softens the acrylic that's left over, and then I just clean it, and that's kind of what I do. I don't put acetone on it because it tends to break your nail brush, so definitely don't do that. Somebody said, did you hear about what happened in Jersey City? And I did, and my condolences goes out to anybody that lost anybody in that situation. The reason why they asked is because I am originally from Jersey City, but yeah, I did see that, and it's so crazy when something happens in like your hometown. So that was crazy. I mean, other than 9/11, that was like, that something like that would happen in like my hometown. It's crazy to even imagine or even think about. So yes, I did hear about that, and it was definitely crazy and mind-blowing. Can you fill dip nails with polygel? I've never tried it, so I don't want to say that you can, but that's a good way to do a video. So I might just do that. So stay tuned for that. What or who inspired you to start doing nails? Definitely Talia's Nail Tales. When I first started watching YouTube, this was many years ago. She was on YouTube, and I was in love with her videos. Like, I was obsessed. Not only her, but also oh my god. Oh, and if you go see her, definitely tag me so she can know, because girl, you're bomb. Who else? Talia Nail Tales. And it's so crazy because I don't like gel, but she only does gel, but I just love her videos. They're just so soothing, and I just love her videos, love her work. I love her stamping. It's just so calming. And Nova Nails. She used to be a YouTuber way back in the day. I don't know if she still does YouTube videos. I haven't checked out her page. And now who I am obsessed with is Tabitha Nails. Long hair, pretty nails. I'm obsessed with them too. Who else? There's so many that I'm obsessed with, though. So many. But yeah, Femi Nails. Femi Nails. She's bomb. Check her out. If you guys go and watch any of them, definitely let them know that I sent you, because they're just bomb, you guys. Like, I love their videos. I watch all of their videos. Somebody said, at what age can you go to school? By the way, I love you too. And I honestly do not know. In every state, in every city, it's a lot different. So I cannot sit here and say, because I don't know. Is nails my main passion? Yes, it is. I love doing nails. I could wake up doing nails. I could go to sleep doing nails. I love doing nails. I could just paint nails. Like, I just love it. It's something about it. It's so calming and soothing. I just love it. So the video has ended, and I'm just still talking. But if you guys enjoyed this Q&A, thank you so much for watching. I tried to get everybody's question, but it's so hard to keep up. I got so many on YouTube and Instagram, so forgive me if I did not answer your questions, and maybe I'll do a part 2 to this video. But if you did like this video and me doing the Q&A, definitely give this video a thumbs up so I know that you liked it. And not only that, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified each time that I upload. And I will see you in my next one.